Class, good afternoon. Welcome to Women, Gender and Sexuality course. This is GNDR 2110, section DO1. In this course, which consists of 15 weeks, we will talk about various aspects of feminist theory, how women's conceived by both theorists like Marx and Freud, and in general, women's oppression, liberal feminism, Marxist feminism, the creation of surplus value by women, can women form a class, women's sexuality, sexual violence, and of course, we'll talk about intersectionality of power and oppression, race, class, and gender, resistance coming from feminist writing from women of color like Sherry Moraga and Bell Hooks. Then we'll go into international feminism and how women globally are resisting structures of oppression. This is an interdisciplinary course. We will cover areas in political science, economics, psychoanalysis, sociology, and so forth. So everything is in your course in Brightspace, and this the way the whole course is laid out in Brightspace, it consists of 15 learning modules, 13 of which are standard. You have assignments. When you enter the modules, you'll see 3 or 4 things. The first thing you will see is the learning objectives and the agenda and the summary of the course. Then you will see the articles and PowerPoints for the reading of the week. After that, you will see a couple of lectures, which all of these are in different sub-modules within a module. And the last thing are the 2 assignments. One is a quiz, 30 points. The other one, which is really, my students are very excited about that, is a discussion thread for each week. I start the thread and then you reply and then you respond to 2 of your peers. So that's the work for each week. Read the syllabus carefully. This is the work till week 13. Then week 14, you have a critical blog, which is a general question on the different theories that you've studied. We'll study about artificial reproduction, a very favorite topic of mine, and cyborgs. We'll talk about cyborgs. That's like a science fiction almost. It's one of my favorite themes in feminist theory. And then the last thing is your final reflection on the entire course. So that's your course, more or less. I've been teaching this course for over 20 years. There is my book, Feminist Theory, which is one of the modules, the last one in Brightspace. You can look at it. It's a PDF file. You don't have to. And I am always excited to teach this course. I feel empowered every time I teach this course. I hope all of you will do so, because this is very much applicable to things we go on in everyday life. I will try to have all my lectures taped for each week for you to understand the PowerPoints and the course materials better. So looking forward to the course. Always correspond with me via instant message, which is part of the course, inside the course, and or the email, which is again inside the course, once the course starts, once the course opens. Before that, I will, of course, send you the syllabus via my CNN, but once the course opens, all correspondence is going to be through the course email or instant messages. So again, welcome to Women, Gender and Sexuality Studies, and I'm very excited and looking forward to working with you for the next 15 weeks from January through April.